Port Said University is a university in the Egyptian city of Port Said. It was formed in 2010 when the Egyptian president decided to set up it to replace the Suez Canal University's Port Said branch, which had been established in 1976. PSU is located at El Zohar, Egypt today. Port Said University is officially accredited by Egypt's Ministry of Higher Education and is globally recognized for its academic standards. It is listed in the World Directory of Medical Schools under WHO, which reflects its international credibility. In addition, it has previously been accepted under the guidelines of the National Medical Commission, formerly known as AMCI. Because of this recognition, the university has become a popular choice among international students, especially those from India who are looking to pursue medical education abroad. The university offers a wide range of academic programs across multiple disciplines, including medicine, engineering, pharmacy, nursing, science, commerce, and education. Students have the opportunity to pursue bachelor's, master's, and even doctoral degrees, making it a comprehensive institution for higher education. Among all its faculties, the Faculty of Medicine stands out as one of the most important and sought-after departments. The Faculty of Medicine is dedicated to delivering high-quality medical education, promoting scientific research, and encouraging collaboration among doctors, scientists, and healthcare professionals. It emphasizes both theoretical knowledge and practical learning. Students benefit from clinical training in hospitals, where they gain real-world experience and exposure to modern medical practices. This practical approach helps students build strong skills and prepares them for successful medical careers. The medium of instruction at Port Said University is primarily English, with some use of Arabic. This makes it easier for international students to adapt to the academic environment while also giving them an opportunity to understand the local language and culture. Another major advantage of the university is its affordability. Compared to many other countries, the tuition fees are quite reasonable, making it an excellent option for students who want to study abroad without spending a large amount of money. This is especially beneficial for medical aspirants looking for quality education at a lower cost. Talking about its location, Port Said is a peaceful, safe, and coastal city situated near the famous Suez Canal. The city offers a student-friendly environment, which enhances the overall learning and living experience for students coming from different parts of the world. To sum up, Port Said University is an emerging and globally recognized institution that provides quality education at an affordable cost, especially in the field of medicine. However, before applying, students are strongly advised to check the latest eligibility criteria and regulations set by the National Medical Commission to ensure they meet all the requirements. Port Said University provides comfortable hostel accommodations for both local and international students. The hostels are equipped with basic facilities such as furnished rooms, clean bathrooms, study areas, and security services. Separate arrangements are usually available for male and female students. The hostels aim to create a safe and convenient living environment so students can focus on their studies without worry. The university has a modern and well-developed campus designed to support high-quality education. It includes spacious lecture halls, advanced laboratories, research centers, and well-equipped libraries. The Faculty of Medicine is supported by teaching hospitals, where students receive practical clinical training. Digital learning resources and updated medical equipment help students stay aligned with modern medical practices. The campus environment is safe, organized, and student-friendly. The university also promotes a multicultural environment with students from different countries. It regularly conducts seminars and workshops for skill development. Experienced faculty members provide strong academic guidance. It focuses on both professional and personal growth of students.